Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make iced tea without sugar. First, select a high-quality tea, whether it's black, green, or an herbal blend for the best taste. For every 8 ounces of water, you'll want to use 1 tea bag or 1 teaspoon of loose leaf tea. Heat your water to between 200 and 212 degrees Fahrenheit, then steep your tea for 3 to 5 minutes. This prevents bitterness and ensures a smooth flavor. Once your tea has steeped, let it cool down to room temperature. This step is crucial to prevent cloudiness when you chill it. Now, it's time to add some natural flavor. You can enhance your tea with fresh fruit slices like lemon, lime, or even berries. For a refreshing twist, try infusing it with herbs such as mint, basil, or a slice of ginger. These additions provide delicious taste without any added sugar. When your tea is perfectly chilled and flavored, it's ready to serve. Pour it over a generous amount of ice cubes for that classic iced tea experience. For any leftovers, transfer your sugar-free iced tea to a clean, airtight glass container. Store it in the coldest part of your refrigerator. When stored correctly, unsweetened iced tea can stay fresh and delicious for up to 5 days, ready for you to enjoy. For the smoothest, least bitter iced tea, consider trying the cold brew method, steeping tea in cold water overnight. If you prefer a touch of sweetness, experiment with natural alternatives like liquid stevia or monk fruit extract. They offer sweetness without the calories or sugar. Remember, the quality of your water also impacts the taste, so filtered water is always a good choice. And for a fresh car scent, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.